Honestly been having my suspicions about mold in this house, so I hope this will be helpful. All right guys, so today with me I have this mold test kit, and I thought this was actually pretty interesting because it's one of those things you don't really think about until you start wondering what's floating around in your home, right? So we're going to do an unboxing video, take a look what comes inside. I've honestly been having my suspicions about mold in this house, so I hope this will be helpful. Right away I can see that it has test plates. It has a 6 in here, and this is great because it means I can test multiple areas around my home instead of just one room or one location. It actually has another set of 6, so we're getting 12 test plates, which is really amazing. I can see it also includes swabs, gloves, labels, which is really cool. This will be helpful in knowing which plate is for which location or which room. A mold identification guide and instructions for both testing and mold removal. I like that everything is included because obviously it means you don't have to go looking for extra supplies before getting started. Lots of good information for us to read in here. So you can test indoor air, HVAC vents, bathrooms, sinks, walls, cars, closets, cabinets, and other areas where moisture tends to build up. So if you've ever had a leak, water damage, or just a room that feels damp, it's always nice to be able to check it yourself, and that's what this kit is for. Instructions seem pretty straightforward, and I also like that they include the guide, so you can always compare your results to pictures of common household molds, and just having enough tests to either check 12 different locations, or test the same areas really if you're trying to monitor a problem after cleaning or remediation. Definitely seems like a really practical kit to have around the house, especially if you're curious about your indoor air quality or just want to check areas that may be prone to moisture and mold growth.